Leonardo AI text-to-image tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be giving you a quick tutorial on how to use Leonardo's image text generator. Now, first things first, log into your Leonardo AI and look over here on the left side under User Tools or over here on the top. Simply select Image Generation and you will be redirected to a page where you will be able to generate your different images. Let's give you a quick tour. Over here in the center, this is like the basic. This is where you will be able to enter the prompt of the image that you want to generate. So let's say a cat wearing medieval armor, something like that. And then over here in the fine-tune model, this is where you will be able to select and view different models that are currently being used in the community or by Leonardo. So over here in the platform model, as you can see, there's a lot of different models that you can play around with, and you could choose any option that you want. So for example, this one, generate with this model. After doing that, simply click on generate, and you will be able to generate an image over here. There's a lot of settings over here on the left side that you can play around with. You can increase the image, have some prompt magic or different types of sizes over here. You will be able to do that all over here on the left side. And there we go. This is our image over here, a medieval cat wearing, or rather a cat wearing medieval armor. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.